Are you ready to elevate your aerial photography and videography game? Whether you're a hobbyist looking to capture stunning landscapes or a professional seeking the best tools for your projects, choosing the right drone can be overwhelming. With countless options on the market, each boasting unique features and capabilities, it's essential to find the one that suits your needs perfectly. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best drones available today, highlighting their specifications, user-friendly features, and performance. Join us as we navigate the skies together, helping you make an informed decision and soar to new creative heights. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the DJI Ryze Tech Tello mini drone. When you're looking for an engaging introduction to the world of drones, the Tello is a remarkable option worth considering. Developed in collaboration with DJI, this compact drone measures just 100 by 100 millimeter and weighs only 80 grams, yet it's not your typical flimsy toy. Despite being made from low-grade plastic, the Tello stands out in its category, providing a sense of durability that many competitors lack. While it may come with a slightly higher price tag than some alternatives, the investment is justified. You'll appreciate its user-friendly controls, allowing you to explore flight ranges of 50 to 100 meters with ease. Plus, its battery life of approximately 13 minutes gives you ample time to practice your flying skills. One feature that sets the Tello apart is its 5-megapixel electronically stabilized camera, which provides a wonderful opportunity for basic aerial photography and imaging. It's perfect for those of you eager to explore this creative aspect of drone flying. However, it's important to note that the Tello doesn't handle gusty winds well. Flying on blustery days can lead to unexpected challenges and potentially losing your drone. In summary, if you're ready to embark on your drone flying journey, the Tello offers a solid blend of quality, performance, and affordability, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and those looking to refine their skills. At number 4, Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus Drone. If you're looking to extend your flight time while enjoying stunning aerial views, the Evo Lite Plus could be your ideal choice. With an impressive 40-minute battery life, this drone gives you ample opportunity to explore the skies. Its added weight enhances stability in windy conditions, allowing you to capture smooth footage, though you might notice a slight decrease in agility. Equipped with a remarkable camera, the Evo Lite Plus features variable aperture controls and a 1-inch sensor, making it perfect for capturing high-quality images, even in low light thanks to its night mode. This means you can confidently take to the skies during twilight hours, catching breathtaking shots that many drones might struggle with. You'll find the controller reminiscent of an Xbox controller, which many users appreciate for its familiarity. However, it doesn't include dedicated storage for removable joysticks, a feature that some DJI fans might miss. Despite this, the controller remains functional and easy to use. If you've previously flown a DJI drone, you'll feel right at home with Autel's app, as it offers a user-friendly experience. Overall, the Evo Lite Plus combines extended flight times, impressive camera capabilities, and ease of use, making it an excellent companion for your aerial adventures. Whether you're an experienced pilot or just starting out, this drone has much to offer, ensuring you stay aloft and capture stunning moments from above. Number 3, we have the EXO Scout Drone. Discover the EXO Scout, a toy drone that exceeds expectations in functionality and affordability, making it an ideal choice for beginners like you. If you're stepping into the world of drones for the first time, you'll appreciate the Scout's user-friendly features that enhance your flying experience. One standout aspect of the EXO Scout is its 3 adjustable flight speeds, 7, 12, and 15 miles per hour, allowing you to gradually build your confidence as you learn to navigate the skies. You'll find that auto takeoff and landing take the stress out of starting and finishing your flights, letting you focus on enjoying your time in the air. Additionally, the altitude hold feature enables you to set your drone at a specific height mid-flight, allowing you to capture steady photos or videos without worrying about constantly adjusting your controls. The internal sensors are designed to help you avoid obstacles, giving you peace of mind as you explore your surroundings. Whether you're capturing your outdoor adventures or simply enjoying the thrill of flight, the EXO Scout is equipped to help you grow your skills while having fun, With its combination of features and ease of use, you'll be able to fully engage in the excitement of flying without feeling overwhelmed. Embrace the adventure of drone flying with the EXO Scout, the perfect companion for every aspiring pilot. At number 2, DJI Mavic Air 2 Drone. If you're seeking a drone that beautifully balances exceptional camera capabilities with affordability, the Mavic Air 2 is an excellent choice for you. One of its standout features is the ability to capture stunning 8K hyperlapse videos. This mode opens the door to creating mesmerizing time-lapse footage, ideal for showcasing vast landscapes or vibrant urban scenes. Just be aware that using the hyperlapse feature can be battery-intensive, requiring you to launch, fly a short distance, record, and then land shortly after. This may limit your exploration during extended shooting sessions, so plan accordingly. The Mavic Air 2 is equipped with advanced sensing technology which enhances your flying experience and ensures safety while you capture breathtaking visuals. Whether you are an experienced pilot or new to drone flying, you can confidently navigate through complex environments. Investing in the Mavic Air 2 grants you access to high-quality features without a hefty price tag, encouraging your creativity and exploration. Imagine soaring above picturesque vistas and capturing stunning aerial shots, all while staying within budget. The Mavic Air 2 not only elevates your photography game, but also transforms how you see the world around you. So if you're ready to take your aerial adventures to the next level, the Mavic Air 2 could be your perfect companion. Discover the endless possibilities and see how this remarkable drone can change your perspective today. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone. The Potensic Atom SE is a drone designed to elevate your aerial photography and videography experience. Imagine capturing breathtaking landscapes and action-packed moments with stunning clarity thanks to the drone's 4K HD camera that delivers outstanding 12-megapixel photos and smooth 4K video at 30 frames per second. With advanced stabilization technology, you can trust that your footage will be steady and professional-looking, perfect for sharing your adventures with friends and family. The Potensic Atom SE doesn't just impress with its camera, it also boasts remarkable battery life. With the included extra battery, you'll enjoy nearly 1 hour of flight time, giving you ample opportunity to explore and capture every intriguing angle without the constant worry of recharging. Flying the Atom SE is intuitive and enjoyable, thanks to its user-friendly control system, which features 3 modes: video, normal, and sport. You can also take advantage of various tracking modes and a GPS-assisted return-to-home feature, giving you peace of mind as you navigate through the skies. Designed to withstand winds up to level 5, this drone is ready for real-world adventures, empowering you to take flight in various conditions. With the Potensic Atom SE, you're not just flying a drone, you're capturing the world from a new perspective. Take your passion for photography and videography to new heights. Let your journey begin. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which drone you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.